Welcome student to Brahmin Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, our department Humanity and Science. Our course Basic Mathematics course code 22103. Myself Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Chapter obviously Statistics, chapter number 8, unit number 5. Standard Deviation. We have to today's lecture must focus. Mean is equal to sum of all numbers, total numbers. Standard deviation, square root of summation I is equal to 1 to n, bracket xi minus x bar whole bracket square upon n. That is the difference between mean and standard deviation. Standard deviation, most probably conceptually the standard deviation represent the root of average, square root deviation of scores from the mean. This is look like this way. Standard deviation, most important and widely used in the measures of dispersion, first used by Carl Pearson in 1893, also called root mean square deviation. It is defined as square root of arithmetic mean of the squares of deviation of the values taken from the mean, denoted by sigma. This is the symbol. Sigma is represented by square root, whole square root. Be considered summation xi minus x bar whole bracket square upon n, or summation x square upon n, where x is equal to x minus x bar and coefficient of standard deviation is sigma upon x bar. Be careful about these notations. Next, sigma is equal to square root of summation xi minus x bar whole bracket square upon n. Sigma is equal to standard deviation summation. It is the symbol used. X is the each value of the data. X bar is the mean of all values in the data. N is equal to number of values in the data set. First, we have to check how to find the mean from the following data. We have to must revise. Here, we have to take the mid value of every class interval x, m multiplied by this value of x or m with their respective frequency. Take total and apply the formula. X bar is equal to summation f into x upon capital N, or x bar is equal to summation fm upon n, where f is the frequency, x or m the mid value of the class interval, and n is summation of f. Let us take the direct method to find the x bar. Income 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. Here, class intervals are continuous to not to take 0.5 subtraction and 0.5 addition. Now mid value we have to take 10 plus 20 upon 2 15, 20 plus 30 upon 2 is 25, 30 plus 40 70 upon 2 35, 40 plus 50 90 upon 2 45, 50 plus 60 is 110 divided by 2 60 55. 60 plus 70 upon 2, that is the 130 divided by 2 65. Now f is given. F is what given? 4, 7, 16, 20, 15 and 8. So we arrange in a vertical order. Main thing is we have to take the addition of such number given by the frequency column, that is n is equal to 70. Be careful, capital N is equal to 70. Now our formula for x bar is equal to f summation fm upon n. We have the total of fm. Fm where we have to derive? Yes, that is the right. F into m, that is we have to take. I use the highlighted here. Suppose you understand better what is the going on. 15 into 4, that is 60. 25 into 7, that is 175. 35 into 16, 560. 45 into 20, 900, 55 into 15, 825, 65 into 8, 520. Now we cover the multiplication and take the grand total here. N is equal to 70. So we have to put the value of 3040, that is last column total, divided by n is the summation of fi. So we derive the value is 43.43. So now we have to take now next example to better understand what is the concept is going on. Method, if otherwise the mention, only then proceed by step deviation method. Find x bar for the following data. Here x less than 20 is given 20 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 90, 90 to 120 is given, above 120 is given. So that is difference in class interval you see. So better we have to take the class interval. Here we have to take the less than 20, means 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 90, 90 to 180, 120 and 120 to 150 we have to take. Here we have to take the difference is going on. Here what is 10 difference? Here 10 difference, here 20 difference, here 20 difference, 90 to 120 it is also 30 difference, and 120 to 15 that is 30 difference. That's why our starting value we have to take as a 10, and last value we have to take 150. It is called a continuous class interval we have to cover. Now f is given 2, 8, 20, 25, 16, 9. Total of the d's is 18. Mid value how to define? 10 plus 20. I use the highlighter here. 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is 15. Next 20 plus 30 divided by 2 is 25. 30 plus 50 divided by 2 is 40. 50 plus 90 divided by 2 is 70. 90 plus 120 divided by 2 is 105. 120 divided by 2 is 135. We need FM now. FM means mid value into frequency. So I use now a highlighter with different color. Suppose we have to find FM. FM is 2 into 50 is 30. Next 8 into 25, 25. It is 200. 20 into 40 that is 80. 80? No, 800. 25 into 70, 1725. 16 into 105 is 1680. 9 into 135 is 1215. Now we have to take the total of this statement. We have to take the grand total of these one. Our frequency total is here. So that's why x bar is equal to summation fm upon n 5675 upon 80 is equal to 70.94. So in this way we have to take the total of the fi, and first thing is that in this example we done the class interval are continuous. We see the difference between these is 10, this is 10, but the difference between I use the another in color, suppose you understand the that is betterly. Here difference is 50 minus 30 it is 20, 50 minus 90 20. So obviously the next intervals, obviously class interval are highlight here, that is the look like way the 90 plus 120. Oh, that's better to take the light color here. So I